Today we're going to be doing some Fortnite Mobile. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to show you how to set up your HUD display. What you want to do is hit the three lines at the top. Go ahead and choose HUD Layout Tool. And once you're there, you're going to see all of these buttons, which I have all over the place. There are extra buttons if you pull up. I have most of them down here, though, for you to kind of show you how it's set up. When you do Fortnite Mobile, you're not going to do very well if you're just using two fingers. It's kind of proven thing. You need to use a claw grip. I would recommend 4 fingers and just kind of show you what that's like. It's basically like this. So you use your index fingers and your thumbs. So that's the best way to do it. I use thumb for joystick and for aiming, and then basically actions on the right finger and then changing things on the left. So I'll kind of put things on the screen too to make it a little easier to understand. So with this, you can go ahead and customize everything. For me, I'm using mainly more of my right hand to do a lot of the work. That's why my actions are going to be on my right finger, index finger. If you need to go ahead and edit all this, all you do is pull down, grab any buttons you want, and you can put them on. We'll go ahead and explain some buttons here. This is to go through and build. Switch to build mode. Here we have to fire. This lock portion is actually your joystick. You have the horn. That's basically just the honk horns when you're in vehicles. Across the top you have run or walk. I would just do always sprint. That might make it easier, so it's one less button on the screen. This button here is to go ahead and mark where you're looking. So if you want to go ahead and tell your friends, hey, they're over there, go ahead and hit that in game and it'll go ahead and mark it. Here you have your voice chat. So if you want to turn your microphone off, go ahead and tap it and you'll see like a line go through it. Tap it again and then it'll go back to here. You have the exclamation point in the circle. That is to go ahead and emote. So if you just got elimination and you want to add a little pizzazz, go ahead and hit that and do your favorite dance. Here we have the hand. That's just to go ahead and do your action. Swap between slots. So if you want to move a slot to the right or a slot to the left on your hotbars, that's how you would do that. Here you have to go ahead and repair buildings. You go ahead and tap that to repair. Then we have this, which is to jump. We have here to crouch. This is to go ahead and aim. Here we have to swap back and then fire again here. Also, you have to switch to edit mode here, bring up your inventory here, and then you have buttons to go ahead and bring them up. You can also bring up other buttons for here to go through and hotkey directly to a certain weapon, or the blue ones to go ahead and hotkey to a specific build. So that's how you go ahead and have the buttons. You can click this menu here and show which elements are currently visible. Clicking change fire mode. You can go ahead and change your fire mode as well. Here you can go ahead and auto fire. You could tap anywhere or you could have a dedicated button. We're going to go ahead and keep the dedicated button. So you could also go ahead and click on the button and it'll show you what it's available in. For example, this in combat, because if you turn shooting off in combat, then you're not going to be able to fire. So you don't want to mess with that too much, but you can have the slider for the size here. So you can make it a lot bigger if you want, or a lot smaller. The shooting button's a good one to make bigger, I think. But it all depends on how your fingers are, so you go ahead and choose that. Go ahead and choose apply when you have it ready, and then back, and then you're ready to go. That's all there is to it. If you have any problems, you can reset it. You can also load your saved settings from the cloud, and when you're ready, you just choose exit, and then you're ready to jump into a game. I hope this mobile tutorial helped you out and got you all set up on how to set up your HUD. And there's a lot of good mobile players out there to watch. You know, go ahead and check the live streams out, and you'll get a better idea of how they're playing. So I do hope this helped you. If so, smack that like button. I really appreciate it. I'll go ahead and link a video up here that I think you'll enjoy. Check it out. It continues on the mobile theme, and I will go ahead and see you over there.